Regular inspections give you the information you need to keep your equipment operating properly. In this video, we'll show you how to access, create, and complete inspection checklists in Razor Tracking. The first step is to create a new inspection checklist. To get started, log into Razor Tracking. In the left-hand menu, click the Management dropdown, then select Inspections. This will bring you to the Manage Inspection and Report Checklist page. Click New Checklist to create a custom inspection template. You can also manage existing templates by selecting one from the list. Click the Manage button and click Update Checklist Details. Click Email Preferences. You can enter managers' and mechanics' emails to notify them anytime something fails. This helps keep everyone up to date and ensures a quick fix. They can also be notified when repairs are complete, or both. Just select your preference with the drop-down menu. To complete an inspection as an operator, you'll be using your mobile device and the Razor Tracking Go app. Start by selecting an inspection type, such as pre-trip or post-trip. You'll review each inspection point and mark it accordingly. Passed for no issues detected, failed for problems, and needs attention for components that should be monitored. For failed items, you can leave comments or upload photos to document the issue. When you're finished, click Submit. Anyone set up with email notifications will be notified of any failed components. To view past inspections, on the left-hand menu, click Reporting and click Inspections. This opens the full inspection history and analytics dashboard. The inspection view provides a fleet-wide overview with visual tools like a failed versus pass chart, a problematic vehicles pie chart, and a top recurring issues chart. The vehicle status table lists each machine's inspection details, such as inspection type, inspector, date, odometer reading, and any defects found or resolved. In Mechanic View, you can see each unit's unresolved defects. Once maintenance is complete, issues can be resolved and documented in the system. Use filters to sort your reports. Vehicle filter for specific machines, defect filter to find recurring issues, department or group filters for team or fleet-specific views, or toggle failed inspections only to isolate problem reports. Reports can be exported as CSV files, and they can also be printed.